You guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a super exciting video for you guys today. I know it's been a while, but I'm back and I'm better. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my natural hair routine, but with the twist. I'm going to be trying out the More Hair Organics. Today they are sponsoring this video and I'm super excited because they're not only black owned, women owned, all natural, organic, 100% vegan, plant-based, no animal testing. Yeah, this brand is lit. And let me just tell y'all, it is the packaging. It's the packaging for me. I love it when brands invest into their packaging. It makes like opening your products and trying your products just feel so much more enjoyable. But they sent me the full collection. I'm not going to be using all the products that they sent me, but I'm going to be using a good majority of the products. So I'll tell you guys what I'm going to be using for today on my hair. So we got this Seal It Pre-Poo, a pre-wash hair treatment. I'm super excited for this because I have never used a brand's Pre-Poo. I always do like my own, a DIY little thing. So I'm super excited for this. I'm also going to be using their Root to Tip shampoo bar. This is really cool. Never used a shampoo bar, so I'm excited for this. I'm also going to be finishing up my routine by doing like a braid out or twist out with their Butter Up styling cream, and it says it's a daily moisturizer. Now I'm also going to like finish off my whenever I do the braid out and the twist out with their Sure Thing growth oil. I'm gonna put this on my scalp, and I also may rub some on my fingertips to seal in my braids and twists. So yeah, I'm super excited to try out these products, y'all. I'll show y'all what else they got in their collection.
So they got this Inside Out hair growth tea. They got this restorative hair juice. It's for hair loss and scalp onion treatment. Interesting. And then they have this herbal refresher hair tea rinse. Cool. And then they have this herbal hydration hair mask. It's a healing deep conditioner. And they also have a It's Clean shampoo, cleanses, detangles, and moisturizes. So if you guys like what you see with the products that I test out today, let me know and I can test and demo out these other products as well. But yeah, I'm super excited, guys. I got this ponytail in right now. I have this for my B-day, but I'm going to take it out and I'm going to drench my hair with water and I'll be right back to try these products. Alright, y'all.
It's wet right now, so I'm going to go in and use the Pre-Poo. As instructions, so it says the Seal It Pre-Poo, what you'll need is a plastic cap, bonnet, or scarf. So this is part your hair. For best results, use it overnight, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna just use it for 30 minutes, and that's the recommended time they have. So I'm gonna go in and use the Pre-Poo. See what it smells like. It has like a cocoa butter smell to it, but this is the texture to focus on that. It's not gonna focus. It's gonna focus on me. But it smells interesting. It doesn't smell bad. These products are organic and 100% vegan and plant-based, so they're not gonna have any fragrance in them. So don't expect this to smell like pomegranate, beaches, or I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to my hair. I'll be right back. Alright, so first impressions, I can already tell that this is going to be super duper moisturizing on my hair. I will say my hair wasn't really completely drenched, and even when I was looking at the instructions, it said this section dry hair. So I will say it's going to take a little bit of time to do this, just because your hair is going to be dry, and then like working the Pre-Poo into your hair is going to take a little while. So just be mindful of that if you want to try this product. You're going to need, you know, your full natural hair day, because it did take me a little while just to work it through. But I'm about to put on a plastic grocery bag, you know, about to reuse, reduce, recycle. I'm putting a plastic grocery bag and let it sit for 30 minutes. And then I'll wash it out, and then I'll let y'all know what I think. And then we'll move on to the shampoo. I'll see y'all in 30 minutes. Bye. Alright, so it's been 30 minutes, and I already know my hair is like super moisturized right now. Let me tell y'all what's in the ingredients of this Pre-Poo, and y'all gonna agree with me. There's shea butter, cocoa butter, castor oil, mango butter, shea butter powder, I've heard a lot about that, and coconut oil, and so much more. So I know my hair is about to feel super soft, super moisturized, And yeah, I'm super excited, y'all. So I'm about to wash this out and I'll come back on here so y'all can see what it looks like before I show. Alright, y'all, so I just washed out the Pre-Poo and I think my hair loved it. My hair feels super soft and moisturized. Yes, I'm probably about to incorporate that into my routine every time I wash my hair. But yeah, we are feeling good. Look at those curls. My curls like popping after that too. I'm about to try to detangle my hair real quick, and then I'm gonna use this root to tip shampoo bar. I'm gonna just like comb through my hair. I just don't want to make sure. I want to make sure I don't have any knots coming from the twist that I just did. Shampoo bar. It smells so good for like this to be 100% vegan, plant-based. It smells so good, so I'm excited to try this out. But I'm about to detangle my hair real quick, and I'll be back on to use the root to tip shampoo bar. I'm super excited, y'all. Oh no, my hair is already loving it, and I just used the first product, so I'm super excited. All right, bye, y'all. So now that my hair is pretty much combed through and detangled, I'm gonna go in through root to tip shampoo bar. It says wet shampoo bar and rub in between hands. Use finger and hands to rub shampoo into scalp and hair. And they said if you do want to do a deeper clean, you can rub shampoo bar directly in the scalp and lift the hair, avoiding the ends. So I think I'm gonna just wet the shampoo bar. Sorry, let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna wet the shampoo bar, and then I'm going to just work it through my hair. Yeah, I like it. Hope I'm doing this right. Ooh, can y'all see? Find frame. Sorry, I'm trying to look in the mirror, but also stay into the camera. Yeah, I like this. Feels really good. It looks like I got a perm, y'all. Cause you know how like perms you have to do the edges and stuff. So I'll be straight. It's crazy. So just washed out the root to tip shampoo bar. Whew. I use a cotton shirt all the time. I do not towel dry my hair because I heard that gets rid of moisture. I don't know, it's not good for your hair. Don't towel dry your hair. So I always use a cotton shirt whenever I'm washing my hair. Feeling definitely very clean. My hair still really soft from the Pre-Poo earlier, but yeah, I'm liking it. So I'm gonna detangle again, and then I'm going to use my regular go-to conditioner. I'm not going to share it because it's not really important, and I'm still looking for a good deep conditioner anyway. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and condition my hair, but after I finish all that, I'll be popping right back on so I can show you guys how I'm going to style my hair with their Butter Up styling cream, and then I'm going to use their oil to my scalp and on my ends. So yeah, I'll be right back. It's going to take me like 20-30 minutes, but for you it's going to be 1 second. So I just want to say I am loving these products so far, but I'm just applying it to my hair. I'm going to do this all over my head, and yeah. Focus on. Alright, so I'm going through and using the styling cream. I will say I do wish it had like some type of water element. Just because I feel like it's just so thick. Again, kind of like the Pre-Poo. That it's just so hard to like work through my hair. Now I've tried wetting my hair before. Like I apply the cream, but I still feel like it is very, very hard to work through. It kind of feels like, just so you guys can understand, it kind of feels like when you're applying that raw African shea butter through your hair, you know, that's exactly what it feels like. Alright y'all, last section. Here we go. I just wetted my hair again. I'm about to apply the cream. I've thought about rubbing my hands together. That might make it easier for me to apply the product evenly around the hair. Yeah, I think that's better instead of like just picking up pieces and rubbing it. Grab the product, rub it through your hands, rub it to your hair, rub it through your hair, and then boom. But yeah, you still see it's still a pretty thick moisturizing cream. But that is not necessarily a bad thing. Comb it too. Yeah, you see how thick that is? And I applied my hair was like saturated with water, and I saturated with this, and you see it's really dry. So that it does kind of scare me a little bit since it is a moisturizing cream. But we're gonna see how it's gonna turn out when I take it down tomorrow. Alright, so it's all done. I'm gonna go in with the Sure Thing Growth Oil. I'm gonna apply this to my scalp. And then I'm gonna put some on the tip of my fingers and then rub it through my hair. Alright y'all, so it has been 2 days. My hair is completely dry now. I didn't have time to film yesterday, so we're doing it today. Yeah, my hair is super duper dry, so I might have to spray like some water on it whenever I take down the braids, but that's all good. I'm going to be using their Sure Thing Growth Oil to apply to my fingers when I take down these braids. But yeah, I'm super excited to see how it's going to turn out. Alright, let's do it. My hair definitely feels moisturized, I'll say that. Okay, we got a nice little curl going. Nice little curl. Not bad, not bad. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and take out the rest of my hair, and I'll be back when I'm finished. Bye. Alright y'all, so this is what we're looking like with all the braids taken out. I haven't picked out my hair or anything. So yeah, so far so good. My curls are looking really shiny and moisturized. So I ain't too mad at it. But I'm gonna go ahead and pick it out, get some really big and beautiful curls, and I'll be back to show you guys the final product. Alright y'all, this is the finished product. Let me fix this light real quick. I'm loving my hair. It is looking very super defined and super healthy, super shiny. Yes, let me do a little spin. Well, I can't do a full spin, but yeah, I really like it. I really enjoyed using these products. Make sure you guys check out their collection. Y'all let me know if y'all try these products. But yeah, okay, bye.